Will spit. Oh, here we go. I'll get back to that in a second. The sword, etc. Mr. Kishi collected. Mr. Kishi sword collection. Sword. I can't read that. God dang it. Can you read that? Short sword. Short sword. Sword guard. Oh yeah. Different sword guards. Sword guard. It's wealthy. That's something Ichigo didn't have because his Senpakuto wasn't. Oh, I've done a full circle. Okay. Let's head back to this. What's this? Italian kanji. Dolphin. That's a dolphin? It just says dolphin and a bunch of kanji. I can't read it. Do not touch. Alright, I'll head back to that gold thing that was over here. Upstairs, I'll go there in a sec. Tea kettle, 1969, 1968. Oh, there's no English. I want to know what this is about. Let's touch the model of Kitachi 1/10th scale. Please try to touch gently. A model of Kitachi Golden Dolphin 1/10th scale. So it's gold. There's nothing on this sheet about it. I've touched plenty of gold in my day from working at second-hand stores, dealing with jewellery. Alright, let's head upstairs. This is the only security guard in the whole place, so they must be freaking real. Let's go upstairs. Second floor, special exhibition hall. No, is it shut? Oh, no. Oh, I did see downstairs it was closed for like renovations or whatever. Alright, third floor. Reproduction of Castle in Town. Palanquin. So dudes used to carry that. It's well nice. Alright, I'm on concrete. Whoa. Watch your head, Rhys. Oh, armor. Booyuga. Freaking swords and lances and freaking armor. That's awesome. Oh, I'm so glad I came here. I had to duck through all these things. Old books. What is that? Oh, there's no info about it. Well, there is, but... Oh, no. Oh, there's... Alright, let's read the info on the armour. If there is any. Ah, here we go. What the hell? Oh, sweet Jesus, that scared the balls out of me. Okay. Bugia sold old weapons, helmets, saddles, and harnesses, as well as metal goods such as copper basins, braziers, and other fixtures. Dozens of spears and other weapons could be seen lined up in front of the shops. Edo, Kyoto, and Osaka had extensive publishing enterprises, and of these, Magosuke Fugetsudo, and Toshiro Eirakuya. That R is difficult for me to pronounce in Japanese. Toekido were known to have bookstores in Nagoya. In the late Edo period, they were on par with Udana of Edo in their scale. Publications such as Koji Kiden by Norinaga Motori, and Hokusai Manga by Hokusai Katsushika contributed to their prosperity. Huh. I'm not entirely sure what any of that means, but I still find it interesting. I can't read that. That guy's moved. Let's see what this is. Totally live in a place like this. What does that say? Jishinban were staffed by guards to police each other. Oh, let me start again. Jishinban were staffed by guards to police each town district as well as fight fires. In the beginning, landlords watched over their own area, but later this responsibility was entrusted to servants or employees. Huh. I'm not sure. What's a Jishinban? I'm not too sure what a Jishinban is. Maybe it's like, this is where you go to drink tea or something. I'll have to look up what Jishinban means. I'll put it in the description. Oh, that's awesome. The whole place just went dark. It's night time. That's awesome. Oh, this is so cool. You can't see anything there. So I would assume this turns into day at some point. I'll come back when it's like daytime. What have we got here? The Goryubeya served as a parlour for conducting political affairs of the clan. Oh, no. Okay, I hear a rooster, so it's coming to daytime. The sun's coming up. That's awesome. Local. And the lights are slowly coming back on. Oh, I'll give it 5 more minutes. Oh no, here they are, they're back on. Okay. That was awesome. That was so awesome. It was like nighttime, daytime. Nice little touch. What have we got here? Can't read. Man, I totally wish someone was with me so I could take a photo in there with them. Japanese doorways back in that day. It's not my phone going off. I hope that's not too bright for you. No, you can still see. Daidokoro. Meals served to clan retainers were cooked and prepared for serving in the Daidokoro and Gozensho. Various sizes of baskets and containers were found in the kitchen, and inner shelves were filled with cooking implements and tableware. Since the kitchen was a considerable distance from the room where the daimyo was served, the lord was seldom able to enjoy a warm meal. Oh, because they'd cook a warm meal and by the time we'd get there it'd be cold. Unbelievable. Drawing of castle garden. Flowering trees, stone lanterns, traditional Japanese style tea arbor, etc. were arranged in a circular pattern in this traditional garden. After the Meiji Restoration, the original was demolished to build army barracks, but it was restored and designated an official scenic spot as the Nagoya Castle Ninomaru Garden after the war. Ninomaru. This is the drawing of Ninomaru as it was during the Kai period, 1848 to 1854. Construction plans were probably actually based on this drawing, as we can see the building orientation indicated by red lines. Facilities for conducting clan affairs, residences for retainers, gardens and stables were found here. The western 2/3 of the area was known as Oshiro, while the eastern 1/3 was called Ninomaru Goten, the palace. The area where the stables were located known as the Mukayashiki. Black lacquered stationery box. Tissue case. That's a tissue case? I want one of them. There you go, some old pots and stuff. Rice chest and paddle. It's a paddling. Tub. Can't read. Pedestal bowl. Dishes, table and bowls. There's a big freaking pot up the back there. Huh. Taimenjo. I want my house to look like that when I eventually have a house one day. Large chest, that is a big freaking chest. Oh, I'm back here. I've just done a full circle. Alright, what's next? Oh, it's getting busy now. That was third floor. Structure of Nagoya Castle and its armours and sword collections. Yes, more swords and armour. How's that for a view? Straight down. Oh, I almost dropped my phone. Nagoya Castle Homare Restoration. Construction of the Homare Palace began in 1612, was completed. Originally it was constructed as a study for samurai, with a front and middle and inner courts. Because of its small size, the lord of the castle moved his residence to the Ninomaru Palace in 1620, and the Homare Palace was used as lodging facility. From May of Kane 10, 1633, to June of the following year, renovation work was carried out to prepare for a visit by Shogun Iemitsu on his way to the imperial court. The palace was designated to be saved as a national treasure in the Meiji era, but it was destroyed in an air raid in 1945. Bastards. World War II. Kokumo. Digivolve to Kokumon. In the stone walls of Nagoya Castle you can see interesting marks such as figures of triangles and circles and the rough outlines of folding fans, war fans and other objects. These are called kokumon or carved crests and represent the different daimyo lords and their vassals who apportioned sections in the construction of Nagoya Castle. They were carved into the stones so that there would be no mistake as to which lord contributed which of the difficult to transport stones and avoid disputes. Yeah, I saw them outside before. I thought they were just random things, but no, that's what it is. These markings. Huh. Ishigaki. In the late 16th century, technology for building stone walls developed rapidly with the long sides of stones laid in opposing directions in the wall. The stone walls of Nagoya Castle were erected in this manner. Construction of the stone walls was carried out by an assistant official with 20 high-ranking daimyos under a decree by Tokugawa. I wonder what daimyo means. The foundation stones were laid in June of Keicho 1610, and by September most of the walls were standing. It is said the construction was fully completed in December. 3 months, September, October, no, 4 months. Crikey! Chart listing daimyos responsible for construction of sections of Nagoya Castle. This is well cool. No lifting. Oh no, there's lifting. What's it say? Cargo. I can't read that kanji. Demimasenko. Temimasenko. I don't know what that means. Shut up, please. Actually, wait, there's something in there. No, there's not. There we go, weapons. Here's some more. Holy freaking frick. Look at the size of that freaking gun. Japanese matchlock gun. Oh man, I don't know what any of these say. God dang it, the Nagoya Castle and Japanese matchlock gun. Yeah, it's like... Look at the size of that thing. That's easily more than 2 meters. I could lie down next to that and it would be taller than me. 205 centimeter. But, nani? There you go, 200. Yeah, 250 centimeters. Wow, sugoi. There you go, a 2.5 meter long gun. That's awesome. I mean, you know. What's this? Stirrups. What is a stirrup? I don't know what a stirrup is. They're talking about me, but I can't understand what they're saying. Ranks of the Owari clan. Suit of armor with 2-plate torso protector. Kabuto. Lol, it's a Pokemon. Kabuto helmet inscription. Nice conversation. Okay, ranks of the Owari clan. The number of retainers of the Owari clan stood at around 6,000 to 7,000. I'm not sure what a retainer is, although it varied with each era. A guaranteed stipend that retainers would receive from the clan of their personal... I'm just going to read that to myself. That's interesting. Okay. Helmet. Ugh, that's awesome. I'll totally wear that. Well, good. It's got a bit of damage to it. So that's been in freaking battles. Within the palace, it was possible to see brilliant pictures painted on the wooden and paper doors and pasted doors. The paintings display the style of early modern period pictures and were painted by members of the Kano school for the Edo shogunate during the palace's construction in the Keicho period, 1597 to 1623. Jinojo Kano and others participated in the painting during the Kano period. The painters included... Within the palace, it was possible... Oh, that was the same thing. Oh, I've done a loop. Alright, let's go up. What's on the 5th floor? History of Nagoya Castle, full-scale replica of Kinshachi stone pulling exhibit. Alright. Going up. Oh, that tripped me out for a second, it's actually moving. Screw that. That's how they do it. They had like round logs underneath it and freaking pulled it along. Real men doing real work. Construction of the donjon. Nagoya Castle is known for its unique connection donjon style of construction within the main. You can just pause that and read it. Cutaway model of golden dolphin. Dolphins were evil back then. The golden dolphins were formed over a roughly carved block of wood over which lead sheets were applied. Copper was placed over the lead before the application of the final layer of gold, which was acquired from pounding gold coins into sheets. It is said that the gold used came to value of 17,975 ryo taels when converted from Keicho period coins. The two golden dolphins are of different sexes, male and female, and slightly different in size. The core of the golden dolphins are composed of hinoki cypress foundation originally. I wonder how much that is. 18,000 taels. I wonder how much that actually is in like yen or dollars.